good people, welcome once again to ICO Reviews. This is your boy, this is your own boy ICO Reviews, and I'm here to review Aclyd Ico. You see, this project is a blockchain based identity verification through security system and payment processing platform. Initially focused on the $26 billion wholesale alcoholic beverage market. And as you know, almost every country in the world, most of the countries in the world, people consume alcohol. And there are a lot of issues revolving farmers delivering the product for beverage industries and for people who are already over the legal age to drink alcohol. In many countries, you must be 18 years and above to drink alcohol or to consume any alcoholic beverages or products. But as you know, in some countries, even young ones who are less than 18 get involved with that. They plan to resolve issues involving the alcoholic beverages and they are taking the bull by the horn. While the crowd sale is already live and you still have 39 days to go. So you have close to 2 months for this IC, like a month and 2 weeks for this crowd sale to end. So this is the time for you to get in if you want to get in right now. And if you can see here, 35,357,629 Acre token has been sold already. That has been sold already. I mean, over 35 million token. That is huge. That is huge. And here it says we bring alcoholic beverage from the field to your doorstep using a blockchain payment system which is fast, transparent, and able to resist minor from access and allow this. And you see, the platform speed up payments processing between the farmers, the producers, the importers, the wholesalers, the merchant, the end consumer, and from the wallet. This say from door to door, they'll be able to deliver alcohol to people, but only those who have the legal age to get involved with that. The token and the smart contract, everything you can find here. These are the problems to the solution they offer. Online delivery service must ensure minors are not purchasing alcohol. Now the solution is our Aclyd wallet restriction alcohol purchase to those meeting age requirements. Now another problem again, the industry currently suffers from expensive processing with long payment delays and sluggish inventory management. Usage of Aclyd tokens allow for seamless processing of transactions, order, and international transactions. And different problems you can see here and the solution they offer. You can see them one after another here. Let's scroll down. I like the website. The website is well detailed. Well detailed. You can see the token distribution here, the hard cap they plan to reach, and the soft cap. If they reach the soft cap of 500,000 US dollars, it's okay, and hard cap of over 10 million dollars. Available for purchase 160 million token. And this is the roadmap, quarter two, company formation, financial forecasting, team recruitment, and all the rest. Private sales, that's third quarter of this year. Pre-sales, community building, quarter four, hardware wallet manufacturing and beta testing. You can see quarter one of 2019. Aclyd platform full release, third party wallet integration, Aclyd hardware joint venture release, annual financial audit. You can see pretty much about the roadmap. And this is the team: Jessica Contreras, Shadi Shisti, Kanisha Dennis, Shai Shepard, and other members they have here. But one thing is this, when we get involved in ICOs, we want to know if the ICO is real, if it's copy and paste. We want to know if the ICOs are not scammers, because people have been scammed by investing in ICO. Now, let me show you the CEO and to let you know that this ICO is real. Just
To
watch.
an episode of Meet the Makers here on Block News with myself, Rebecca Hope. We're being joined today by Jessica Contreras. It's great to have you here from the Aclyd project.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Welcome, and today we're talking about something really interesting in the space of the alcohol beverage market, which is really big, a $26 billion market. So tell us a little bit about your project and how you came to creating this, the Aclyd project.
So basically, the Aclyd project is a payment processing platform, and it's also an identity verification and security system. Just a little bit of a brief background on how I got into.
So with this, you can see the CEO. Is this a scam ICO? The answer is no. I mean, no one will show himself herself in the video and scam anyone because you can be get. People can find you. So this ICO is real, and I'm really bullish about it. It's real. You can see the advisors and everything. And if the white paper is 20-page white paper, fully stacked and well written, and I encourage you to go through the white paper and read it. It's important. It helps you to know more about the project. The Telegram 2262, and I believe as time goes on very soon, this number should increase very soon. Well, and this is Twitter. You can see the CEO here, and this is the video I showed you. You can go through their Twitter. You can also follow them on Twitter, which I'm doing now. So let's see the laser ranking. More visitors from Costa Rica and more visitors from Russia. So what is my thought about this ICO? I'm giving this ICO hands down. It's just the right ICO, and they have a good platform. They have something unique to offer. They want to take over the alcohol industry of $26 billion industry. I mean, to make things better. And the team members are real. You can see the CEO, which I strongly believe is a real ICO. So I'm going to leave the link of this ICO just below. Click on it and sign up for the ICO. But do not forget, this is strictly anything I say in this video is really my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you a million times. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.